KIP is committed to earth-conscious product designs that promote environmental health and sustainability. KIP's research and manufacturing processes reduce environmental impact at all stages of the product lifecycle by focusing on energy-saving modes that reduce energy consumption while idle, product designs that can be remanufactured and are 97% recyclable, user-friendly software that ensures images are printed correctly the first time, minimizing waste, lightweight, compact designs that reduce fuel emissions during manufacturing and shipping, and a reliable construction for extended product life. Whether printing in black and white or color, KIP toner is incredibly durable, instantly dry, highlighter safe, waterproof, and UV light fast. Your print is archivable quality, lasting years beyond your project. At KIP, we design the technology in our products to keep our planet green. Visit kip.com/green to learn more.